Hey there, it's Charlene here, and I'm back with something very special today. After releasing my previous video, many of you requested a summary of takeaways from those most influential financial books. Well, it's not the best way to consume a book. I spoil my subscribers on YouTube. If you're interested in exploring any of these books further, you'll find all the Amazon links listed in the description area. Let's get started. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This is where it all started for me. If you are new to finance books, begin with this one. It's a game changer. Robert Kiyosaki tells the tale of two dads, one rich and one poor, and their different approaches to money. Learn about making money work for you and creating passive income. 5 key takeaways of the book. 1. The importance of financial education. This book stresses that traditional education doesn't teach us about money, so it's crucial to educate yourself about finances and investing. Assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki emphasizes that building wealth involves acquiring income-generating assets like real estate, stocks, or businesses, and minimizing liabilities, expenses that don't generate income, like a car, for example. 3. The power of passive income. Creating sources of income that require minimal ongoing efforts allow you to achieve financial independence and frees up your time. By the way, if you're interested in passive income ideas, I got you covered. Check my previous video on 5 lucrative passive income ideas busy professionals should know in 2024. Links is all in the description area. 4. The rat race. Kiyosaki introduces the concept of the rat race, where people work hard for a paycheck but often struggle financially. He encouraged readers to break free from this cycle. 5. Take control of your financial future. The book motivates readers to take proactive steps in managing your money, whether it's by investing, starting a business, or acquiring assets. The 4-Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss. Imagine going from a 9-to-5 job to a life of freedom and adventures. That's what Tim Ferriss did, and he shares his increase in the book. Escape the traditional career path and design a life that aligns with your passions. It's a fantastic read for those seeking more flexibility and fulfillment. 5 key takeaways. 1. Lifestyle design. Ferriss encouraged readers to design a life that aligns with their passions and desires rather than adhering to a traditional career path. 2. Outsourcing and delegation. By outsourcing tasks and delegating responsibilities, you can free up your time and focus on what truly matters to you. He shares some useful websites where you can find people to outsource your tasks, for example, Fiverr. 3. Mini retirements. Instead of waiting until retirement, waiting until 65 years old to enjoy life, he advocates taking periodic mini retirements throughout your career. 4. Automated income. Find ways to create income streams that require less active involvement, allowing you to work less and enjoy life more. Quite similar to Robert Kiyosaki's passive income ideas, right? 5. Challenging the status quo. The book inspires readers to question the conventional beliefs about work, retirement, and success, and explore alternative approaches to achieving their goals. The next book is Cash Flow Quadrant, another gem from Kiyosaki. This book challenges the idea of job security as the ultimate goal, getting ready to transition from trading time for money to building assets and diversifying income streams. 5 key takeaways. 1. The 4 quadrants. Kiyosaki categorized income earning activities into 4 quadrants: employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor, and each with its own financial implications. 2. Transitioning between quadrants. The book provides insights into how individuals can move from the left side of the quadrant, employee and self-employed, to the right side of the quadrant, business owner and investor, to achieve financial independence. 3. Passive income. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of creating income streams that don't rely solely on your active work, as passive income provides financial security. 4. Risk tolerance. Understanding your risk tolerance and aligning it with your financial goals is super important in making investment decisions that suit your comfort level. 5. Financial independence. By diversifying income sources and building assets, individuals can work towards achieving financial independence and reducing financial stress. The next book is Money, Master the Game by Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins takes you on a journey to financial freedom. With a 7-step blueprint, he covers everything from taking control of your finances to setting up a lifetime income plan. Don't underestimate the power of compound interest and use his 3-bucket system to diversify your investments. Tony even interviewed legends like Warren Buffett to bring you these valuable lessons. 1. The power of compound interest. Robbins underscores the incredible impact of compound interest on wealth over time, highlighting the importance of starting early. If you don't know what compound interest is, check my video here, Warren Buffett, the easiest way to earn money, compound interest explained. 2. Creating a financial plan. The book guides readers in developing a comprehensive financial plan to set clear financial goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. 3. Diversifications. Robin introduced his 3-bucket investment systems: security, growth, and dream, helping readers diversify their investments and manage risk effectively. 4. Taking control of your finances. Empower yourself with financial knowledge to make informed decisions, avoid common financial pitfalls, and take control of your financial future. 5. Insights from billionaire investors. By sharing wisdom from successful investors like Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio, the book offers valuable strategies and principles for wealth building and investing. The next book is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This masterpiece, praised by Warren Buffett himself, offers timeless wisdom on investing. Benjamin Graham emphasizes value investing and the importance of a margin of safety. Learn about Mr. Market and how emotions can influence market fluctuation. 5 key takeaways. 1. Value investing. Graham's approach focuses on buying stocks and bonds when they're undervalued, with an emphasis on long-term holding to benefit from their true value. 2. Margin of safety. Prioritizing investment with a margin of safety means buying assets at a price significantly below their true value to protect against losses. 3. Mr. Market. Graham introduces the metaphor of Mr. Market, representing the irrational behavior of markets. Investors can use this to their advantage by not getting swayed by market emotion. 4. Thorough research. Graham emphasizes the importance of researching investments thoroughly to make informed decisions and avoid impulsive choices. 5. Discipline and patience. Successful investing requires discipline to stick to your strategy and patience to ride out market fluctuations, ultimately leading to long-term financial success. Have you noticed that these books seem to share a common theme centered around passive income? If you're eager to dive deeper into the topic of passive income, I've got you covered. Subscribe, like, and click the screen. I will see you in the next video.